Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reboot a Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 series, including the forced restart. If your phone doesn't have any problems, you'll be able to restart it normally. To do this, we look at the buttons that we have on the right side of the terminal. Here we will find the power on and off button under the volume keys. Press and hold this button for a few seconds, even if you see the wizard appear on the screen. After a few seconds, you will see that a panel of options appears. In this case, we will click on Reboot. Next, we will click again on the Reboot option so that our terminal restarts. The process of restarting the phone will start, and after a few seconds, it will start again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If your phone isn't working properly and you can't do the above option, you can try a force restart. To do this, we will again use the on and off button. We will keep this button pressed even if the wizard and the options menu appear. You'll have to press and hold a little longer than before. Release when the phone vibrates. We will see that after this time the phone will seem to turn off, but in reality it is restarting forcefully. This way we will be able to do a restart when the phone does not react correctly. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.